Hey traders, John again from Crypto Candlestick Trading. I just wanted to show you two trades that I'm in on at the moment, and I want to kind of explain why I'm in them. I don't know how they're going to go, but like they seemed like an opportunity to me at the time, so I got in them. So firstly, I got into DOT, and where I got into DOT, so like I could see this, we travelled below all the moving averages at this stage here with, a very convincing candle. Then we're kind of broken through, and if you have a look here, we've got an epic failure of the 200, rejection at the 50. Like this isn't just an abandoned baby. Like, we've got a shooting star heading on the south. Any buying that happened here after this, awesome reversal candle, the sellers just completely annihilated the buyers, the buying side. So the buyers are very weak at this stage, and it's come up, had another go, failed. It's come up, and we've got two indecision dojis. So I'm kind of wondering how we're going to go, coming down here. I mean, I think if it does end up going down, it's going to be, quite aggressive. That's that. It might not. I don't know, but it doesn't usually go sideways and keep on making lower highs and lower lows. Usually it gets more aggressive on the way down. So anyway, I'll hold my positions until I get stopped out or make some profit. We'll see. But essentially, what I've done is I've borrowed some DOT off my broker and sold it into the marketplace as soon as it broke this low here. So I got in short just here at this around about here. So at that 727, I got in at 722. And so anyway, yeah, just below that there. So anyway, and I'm down here. So that's on the 4-hour chart. So here I've got, if you want to know how to get to these charts, I'll just, so you're probably on the one where you got the single. You can go to the double, whatever. And then so I'll just keep on the 4 like that. So, and then now I've got this blue one here highlighted. So now I can use any of the tools on the side of the box and use them in this blue highlighted box. If I go and highlight this one, now I can use all the tools in the highlighted box, not in this one because it's not highlighted. So anyway, so there's DOT. So that's my short position there. I'm in, good profit at this stage, but who knows what it's going to do. I just had a look at Bitcoin. Just the general market in general, it's not looking. It's looking kind of sideways, but sideways south. Anyway, we don't know what's going to happen just yet. We'll just wait and see. Now this is another one I got in. So I got into this one here. As you can see, like this is very sporadic kind of trading. It's not very good, but it tightens up, and I don't really like that very much. But anyway, it's gone up, and then it had this engulfing to the south, and then it had 2 indecision days, and then it started trading to the south. So I got in. I saw a shooting star, spinning top kind of thing there, and then an engulfing pattern there, and then a hammer, and then another shooting star. So how much more convincing? This is all under the 200. I'm thinking to myself, I don't need much more convincing than that. So as soon as this one went red, I sold into the market there. So I borrowed some XTZ off my broker, sold it into the market, and now, however, that's on the 4-hour chart. So I bought again, because of the 4-hour chart. I had a look at the setup here with the, daily chart. I thought, yeah, there's a possibility we could fall. And so just a little bit of confirmation there that we did. So anyway, we'll see what happens. I've got my stops locked in place, so things turn bad, I'll just get knocked out. But otherwise, I could be in for some profits. So anyway, I just wanted to show you why I'm looking at into those trades there, and just looking at Bitcoin here. On the 5-minute chart, it's got it's had a reasonably good reversal. Down it's kind of not, it's got a nice solid closing candle there. It's good, but and then also on the 1-hour chart, I've got the 1-hour chart as well here. We've got a nice reversal there, and we've tried to like kind of get up and close above the above the 200 and the 9, but it looks like there's still a little bit of indecision still happening. This one here, it's only got it's got 12 more minutes to go. If this closes above the 9, then that's showing good strength. If it closes below the 9, then it's still kind of, it's pretty good, but it's not excellent. Stochastic's coming out oversold. That is good reversal. I just like to see this one finish with a bit of strength. But this on the 1-hour chart. Then we have a look at the 4-hour chart, and then we've got an engulfing pattern to the north. And then, this could be reversing off the 50. Who knows? you know, it might be worthwhile watching. You know, like we know what that is. That's you know, if we were trading this on the 4 hour chart, that'd almost be an entry for us. But one thing I don't like here that stood out to me is we've got a low, a high, a low, a lower high. So at the moment, this is in a sideways kind of a movement. So I wouldn't be trading this. I want to see things moving quickly, and this is delay, and I don't like delay. So anyway, you know, the markets are either doing the right thing for you or it's not. So, and you know, during this delay, that's not. So at this stage here, if I was to be buying this, I'd have to have an engulfing candle that closed and broke this one here in order to enter with my stops below the swing low. Anyway, I just thought I'd throw that in there. You know, that's just with Bitcoin there, and but anyway, I'm in DOT in XTZ. If you have any questions about those entries or whatever, just let me know and we'll have a chat. Okay, talk to you again soon. See ya.